Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. We are to be clean inwardly and outwardly. June 15th. We choose the best in health. Then will I sprinkle clean water upon you, and ye will be clean. From all your filthiness and from all your idols I will cleanse you. Ezekiel chapter 36 verse 25. In order to be acceptable in God's sight, the leaders of the people were to give strict heed to the sanitary conditions of the army of Israel, even when they went forth to battle. Every soul, from the commander-in-chief to the lowest soldier in the army, was sacredly charged to preserve cleanliness in his person and surroundings, for the Israelites were chosen of God as his peculiar people. They were sacredly bound to be holy in body and spirit. They were not to be careless or neglectful of their personal duties. In every respect, they were to preserve cleanliness. They were to allow nothing untidy or unwholesome in their surroundings, nothing which would taint the purity of the atmosphere. The 10 Commandments spoken by Jehovah from Sinai cannot live in the heart of persons who of disorderly, filthy habits. If ancient Israel could not so much as listen to the proclamation of that holy law unless they had obeyed the injunctions of Jehovah and had cleansed their clothing, how can that sacred law be written upon the hearts of persons who are not cleanly in person, in clothing, or in their houses? It is impossible. Heaven is a clean and holy place. God is pure and holy. All who come into his presence should take heed to his directions and have the body and clothing in a pure, clean condition, thus showing respect to themselves and to him. The heart must also be sanctified. Those who do this will not dishonor his sacred name by worshipping him while their hearts are polluted and their apparel is untidy. God sees these things. He marks the heart preparation and thoughts, the cleanliness of those who worship him. Angels are impressed with the things which they behold in the outward surroundings of God's people. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God,